key measures of location. Any data which we look at, there are multiple aspects which we need to see in the data. One is called as the centeredness in the data. What is the middle value or what is the average value? Every day, because once I look at it only, I can comment on the shape of the data. Right? Probably you must have heard of so many distributions in the world. Right? Like your binomial distribution, normal distribution, beta distribution, gamma distribution. There are so many probability distributions in the world. Now, where are all they coming from? They are nothing but the different shapes of data. When I say normal, the shape of that kind of a data will be more like this. Right? So, every distribution is nothing but a graph. Whatever. So, that is how the graphs and the typical distributions are linked. Statistical distributions are linked. Every common shape, people have given one name to it. Right? If they say, okay, this data follows a chi-square distribution, it is nothing but, if I try to plot the graph for it, I'll see the graph more like this. Right? Whereas if I say the data is following a normal distribution, I do a frequency distribution plot or a histogram plot for it, I'll see that the graph will be more like a bell curve. So, to identify what shape each graph is denoting, we look at the three attributes in that data. One is called as the centeredness of the data. One is called as the dispersion or the spread in the data. Okay, what is the middle is the first. How much each value is deviating from the middle. What is the deviation? Consistency. Right? Consistency is all of them are together. Dispersion means everything is scattered. All the values are heavily scattered. Like the example which you have pointed out. One claim is 1,000, one claim is 2 crores. That kind of a data, the data is well dispersed. But if you say all of them lying between 1,000 and 2,000, then there is a lot of concentration somewhere in a very small region. So that is what is measured through the dispersion. And there is one more thing called as skewness or symmetricity. This is more symmetric, whereas this is not symmetric. Symmetric is probably like a mirror reflection towards the left and to the right. In case of this kind of a shape, there is a symmetry very much established, whereas in the left one, there is a lot of asymmetry. Right? If they both are not mirror reflections to each other. So that is a measure of skewness. So in this chapter, we actually do these three kind of calculations, but this section, we are focused only on the centeredness, which is nothing but a measure of the